From the generic store, a super power turbo fan, 160,000 RPM, 4 gear. As we open up the box to show you how nicely it's packaged with the carrying case, an instruction guide, a USB-C compliance cable, brushes, attachments, 5 or 6 attachments. We have here is the battery pack and the turbo fan. 2 extra batteries, one as a spare. Going over the turbo fan is about the size of a smartphone. We have on the back a switch, an on and off, a switch, and a COB light, and the fan locations. We have a window, and simply open up the switch and remove the battery by sliding away. To change the battery out and put a new one in, is placing in and locking into place. We see the light come on as acknowledgement. To charge the unit with the supplied 18-inch cable, on the bottom is the battery charger. Plug into your brick or 5-volt power bank. It's PD20 charge, fast charging. We could charge without the top head, the controller unit, while we have one battery to be used and the other charging. Located on the bottom is 25 through 100%, 4 LED lights for a charge indicator that goes out. Inflating and deflating. We simply place on the unit to the head to inflate a volleyball by twisting and rotating on. We have a blower that locks into place by its grooves. Simply rotate and lock into place. To turn the unit on, simply hold the on button for 3 seconds or more. The demonstration of the unit, we have 4 speeds. Turning the unit on is hitting the button, the circle, holding down, lights up. Speeds number 1, 2, 3, and back to 1, and to shut off. The unit has a 300G turbo speed, by meaning you press the button once to turn on, long press and hold for 3 seconds, and let go. To activate the light is the back button, double press quickly, 1, 2, we have a light, and 1, 2, off. This is reverse charging, so if you have anything that needs to be charged via USB-C cable to USB-C, we can reverse charge. Plug in. Battery light comes on and charging. Comes with brushes, cleaning your fingernails, blowing your hair dry, your nails dry, keyboards, laptops, small electronics, easy to clean out areas and vents, with different types of nozzles to change flathead, medium, and wide, with inflatables and long cones. Light indicates area of cleaning, and brush and clean your keyboards and more. With the built-in 2 8000-81650 batteries, with speeds of 40,000, 60,000, 90,000, and 160,000 RPMs, a brushless motor for blowing forward. We have dirt, and we need to put a head on. We have the head-on suction to take off and put on blow, speed number 1. Speed number 2. Speed number 3. And turbo by holding down 3 seconds. And cleaning. a mini leaf blower in turbo. 2 to 3 hours to charge and 60 minutes of run time. With the narrow nozzle, simply press number 1, cleaning out air conditioners areas and vent areas. We have a bag to vacuum out, placing over the wide nozzle or narrow nozzle, turning on the unit by a long press, and then holding the trigger down full for turbo, 160,000 RPM. The attachments are interchangeable from exhaust to blower. The 3-in-1 turbo fan. It is an exhaust fan, a blower, and a flashlight. Put it on the nozzle, the light's off, to show you that it shines and lights up. It is a fan with a removable battery by pulling and swapping out. A replaceable battery to 8,000 milliamps, USB-C to C fast charging, and USB-C to C reverse charging. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.